I think CBR is one of the most effective pro-life ministries in the country today. The leadership is based in a strong Christian faith. They are ecumenical in their outreach to all faiths, and they articulate the defense of life in a powerful and reasonable way. And it literally is changing hearts and minds, saving lives and souls. It's doing that.
How do they do it?
They do it by confronting the lies with truth in love. Now, the images are horrible. And when people come up to us at the Gap Project, a lot of times they're angry or they're shocked or they're disbelieving. And the images are horrific. I can barely look at them myself. But it's the truth.
I realized that this was had the potential to make a very dramatic and powerful impact on the whole pro-life, pro-abortion debate. And at first I was a little unsure because obviously these pictures are offensive, as they should be, because that is what is happening, a very, very offensive, brutal procedure.
I think America will not stop abortions until America sees abortion. And so I think graphic pictures are very important. And I've heard a lot of people argue that, you know, we shouldn't use graphic pictures, they're just going to turn people off. But if used in the right way, they can be very important. And every civil rights movement in the last several hundred years that has been successful have used pictures to depict what is actually going on.
But I recognize that I would never have had the commitment to go through what I went through if it hadn't been for those images in my head. He showed, I think it was Eclipse of Reason, and I was furious. I said, it just ambushed me. I don't want those images in my head. I'm already opposed to abortion. I don't need to see that. That's horrible. And I went home more upset about that than I was about abortion. But only these many years later did God show me, as I was praying about Greg Cunningham's proposals, that was a turning point for me.